In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Airtable view and save it as an Excel workbook. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can move your data out of Airtable and into Microsoft Excel cleanly and efficiently. This is especially useful if you want to share data with someone who uses Excel, create offline copies of your records, or continue analyzing your information with Excel tools. To begin, open your Airtable base and navigate to the specific table you want to convert. Make sure you're in the right base first, especially if you manage multiple projects or datasets. Once you're inside the correct table, take a moment to confirm that the data you need is visible there, since this helps avoid exporting the wrong information. Next, select the exact view you want to export. This step matters because Airtable exports the data shown in the current view, not necessarily everything in the table. So if you're using a filtered view, a grid view, or a view arranged in a particular order, double check that it matches what you want in your final file. This can save you time later and reduce the need for cleanup in Excel. Once you have the correct view open, click the View menu and choose the option to download the file as a CSV. Airtable will generate a comma-separated values file based on the records and fields shown in that view. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder. So it's a good idea to notice where it gets saved. After the CSV file has been downloaded, open it in Microsoft Excel. In most cases, you can simply double-click the file to launch it, or you can open Excel first and then browse to the downloaded file manually. When the file opens, you'll see your Airtable data arranged into rows and columns. Now review the spreadsheet carefully. Check that the columns are labeled correctly, the rows are aligned as expected, and the formatting looks clean and readable. Since CSV files are basic text-based exports, some visual styling from Airtable may not carry over, so this is the right time to inspect the layout and make sure everything appears properly in Excel. Finally, save the file as an Excel workbook. This is the step that converts the CSV into a native Excel format, making it easier to preserve formatting and continue working with the data. Choose Save As. Select the Excel workbook format and save your file to your preferred location. And that's it. You've successfully exported an Airtable view and turned it into an Excel workbook.